Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited free ads for Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And not just for affiliate marketing, also to promote your blog, your website, to build your mailing list. And also I'm going to show you step by step how to set up everything, so make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing we need to do, we need to find products to promote. Now for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Digistore24, but you can use ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo or any other affiliate network. And because we are talking about affiliate marketing and make money online, I am going to scroll here and I'm going to click here on internet marketing and e-business. And what you need to do, you need to research all of these products here in order to find one best for you to promote. So let's just say, for example, for the purpose of this video, I wish to promote this product here, Secret Millionaire Bot. So what I need to do, I actually need to open their affiliate tools page in the new tab because I'm going to need it later. Now you don't have to use their affiliate tools, but it is easier if you use them. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to start promoting this product. Now for that, I'm going to use a website called Traffic Ad Bar. So what you need to do, you actually need to register for a free account. So you need to click here in upper right corner on sign up. And here you need to add your first name and here you need to add your email. So let me just pause this video for a second until I add this. After you click on sign up, you will need to confirm your email. After you confirm your email, you will come to this page here. Verification link accepted. What you need to do, you need to click here on next. And then here you need to choose your first name and last name. Well, I just say, for example, here I will just say some random name, doesn't really matter. I will say, for example, IG, okay? And here I will say male because I am male. Click here on next. And here I need to add password. As you can see, password must contain at least 10 characters. So I will choose just random password, doesn't really matter. I will just say, for example, Zoran. And I will just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, Zoran. Okay, and click here on next. And actually need to contain one upper letter and one symbol. So I will just make quick adjustment for that. Okay, to make it satisfy their rules. Click here on next. And here I need to choose my username. Let's just say, for example, Zoran. And here check username. Okay, username must be at least 6 letters long, and I will just say 1, 2. Okay, check username. Actually, username is already taken, so let's just say 3. Okay, check username. Okay, that is it. So I need to click here, create an account. Okay, and now what I need to do, I actually need to choose now when they will send me other people's emails. Now, for the purpose of this, I would actually suggest you to create a new email, okay? And here I can choose whenever I wish them to send me emails. So let's just say, for example, at midnight, okay? Click here on save and click here, okay? And here we need to add our affiliate link. Here you can see, add your first affiliate link or a website. So what I need to do, I actually already prepared my link and I actually shortened this link in bit.ly so I can follow the clicks. So I will simply paste that here, click here on add a website. Give it a second. And now here I need to add a title. So for that, I'm going to use their affiliate tools page, okay? And let's just say I will use their email swipe. So let's just say, for example, I'm going to copy this first line and I'm going to paste that as my title, okay? And here you can see you can actually not copy and paste titles and description from other websites. You cannot do that, but you can use this from their affiliate tools page. So I can simply copy this, okay? Control C, and I can actually add a line 1. So I will simply add this, okay? And what I need to do, I need to actually delete this. And here I need to add a line 2. So for example, I'm going to copy this part here, okay, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? So I will simply paste that here, and here you can see how your ad will actually looks. So here, what is the language of your ad? It is actually English, so let me just find English, and all you have to do now is choose the country. So let's just say, for example, I will leave it as all countries. Here you need to add some date from, actually you don't have to do anything here. I will just leave it as it is because I wish to run my ad continuously, okay? And then click here on save, give it a few seconds to actually save your ad. And here you can see your ad is saved, okay? So what you need to do, you simply need to scroll here, okay? And you need to click here to find your new ways to earn, okay? And here also click here. And now you need to answer on some simple questions. Do you have your own website? Well, actually, this is not my own website, so I will simply click here on no. Do you use other traffic exchange advertising? Actually, no. And all you have to do is just click here on find out what you need to do next. Click here, and that's it. You actually created your ad on ad traffic ad bar. That is it. All you have to do now is just click here to get started, and now you will start receiving ads on your email. And also you can come here and you can start visiting other people's websites, and you can start earning free credits, and those free credits will actually be exchanged for visits to your own website, in this case for your own Digistore24 affiliate website, and you will start getting target and you will start getting free traffic to your affiliate link. And some of these people, because they are all interested in making money online, as you can see, these are mostly make money online products, so you will start getting targeted traffic and you will start making sales. All you have to do is just invest time and work. As you can see, this is really simple to set up, and you can set up this in just 5 minutes, totally free, and you will start getting targeted free traffic for Digistore24 affiliate marketing. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.